Lost and found. The little bird's journey. Nestled high in a sturdy oak tree, a little bird lived in a cozy nest made of twigs, leaves, and feathers. It was a snug sanctuary that provided warmth and safety, a perfect home for the tiny creature. Every day, the bird would greet the morning sun with a cheerful song, then flutter off to find food, explore nearby meadows, and meet fellow forest dwellers. Its days were filled with joy and simple pleasures. One fateful afternoon, dark clouds gathered, and a fierce storm descended upon the forest. The winds howled, and the rain lashed down, causing trees to sway and branches to snap. The once peaceful woods turned chaotic. Amid the storm's fury, the little bird's nest was torn from its perch and carried away by the relentless wind. The bird, drenched and shivering, watched helplessly as its home vanished into the stormy sky. As the storm subsided, the bird felt a wave of panic and confusion. Its safe haven was gone, and the familiar surroundings seemed strange and threatening. The bird perched on a trembling branch, wondering what to do next. The little bird, despite its initial panic, finds a surge of courage and sets off in search of its lost nest. Determined and hopeful, it flutters through the forest, eyes scanning every nook and cranny for familiar twigs. As the bird ventures deeper into the dense forest, it marvels at the towering trees and the myriad of creatures that call this place home. The forest is alive with sounds and colors, each step an adventure of discovery. Suddenly, the little bird encounters a mischievous squirrel darting between branches. The squirrel's antics bring a moment of levity, its playful nature a stark contrast to the bird's serious quest to find its nest. The squirrel, noticing the bird's distress, pauses to offer a cheeky smile and some sage advice. Through this encounter, the bird learns a valuable lesson about perseverance and the importance of staying calm in the face of challenges. Embracing the lesson from the squirrel, the bird renews its determination to continue the search. With a heart full of hope and newfound wisdom, it forges ahead, ready to face whatever the forest holds in its quest to find and rebuild its nest. The little bird fluttered through the forest, feeling a mix of hope and despair. Suddenly, a mischievous squirrel darted out, chattering cheerfully. At first, the bird felt annoyed, but soon realized the squirrel's antics were simply its way of coping. Watching the squirrel's playful maneuvers, the bird began to understand the importance of staying lighthearted despite challenges. The squirrel, noticing the bird's interest, shared a nugget of wisdom. Sometimes laughter and play help us find our way. Inspired by the squirrel's carefree attitude, the bird's determination was reignited. With newfound optimism, it continued its search, venturing deeper into the forest. Eventually, the bird stumbled upon a hidden meadow, its beauty offering a moment of peace. In the meadow, a friendly rabbit approached, sensing the bird's plight. The rabbit listened sympathetically and shared its own tale of losing its burrow. The bird felt an instant connection, realizing it wasn't alone in its struggles. The rabbit, eager to help, led the bird to a spot where it had once found solace. Together, they scoured the area for clues. The bird felt a renewed sense of purpose, buoyed by the rabbit's kindness and shared experience. The bird followed the rabbit through the winding paths of the forest, hopeful for any sign of its lost nest. The rabbit leaped gracefully over fallen logs and through dense underbrush, always turning back to ensure the bird was close. As they neared the edge of the forest, the rabbit paused and pointed to a cluster of twigs partially hidden beneath a bush. The bird's heart raced, recognizing the familiar scent and feel of the materials from its nest. Encouraged by the discovery, the bird and rabbit began gathering the scattered twigs and leaves. Other forest animals soon joined, each contributing a piece to the puzzle, creating a sense of unity and shared purpose. The bird marveled at the collective effort of its new friends. With their help, the nest began to take shape once more, stronger and more resilient than before. Gratitude filled the bird's heart as it realized it was never alone. Perched in its newly rebuilt nest, the bird looked around at the forest animals who had become its allies. The experience had taught it the value of resilience and the strength found in friendship and community. The little bird, overwhelmed with gratitude, thanked the forest animals for their unwavering support. Each friend had played a crucial role in rebuilding the nest, turning a daunting task into a heartwarming collaboration. Their kindness made the forest feel like home. Nestled in its newly rebuilt home, the little bird reflected on the journey and the importance of resilience. The storm had tested its spirit, but the experience forged unbreakable bonds of friendship. Together, they had transformed adversity into a new beginning.